Before we get started, let me show you what all comes in that case right there. And it is a nice case. We have 2 battery packs, 2 extra chains for the chainsaw, a little wrench to adjust the chain and to change out the chain using that nut right there, and that wrench. It comes with a charger and the instruction manual. So I'm about to slap a battery in this bad boy and do a little bit of cutting. Well, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to lube that chain and bar, and I just grabbed some 90 weight gear lube. Is the closest thing I had. Let's cut something. I'm going around here where I have to duck when I'm using a lawnmower. I like this whole thing. You reach out there, reach in there, whatever. Let's go cut something else. You know what? I could carry this on my riding lawnmower, and when I'm out mowing and the limbs hanging down, I'll just reach up there and cut it off and keep on going. Ooh, I got some more. I like it. It is. I realize, you know, I've got limb lobbers, but a limb lobber can't take something out that big around. This little feller can. Y'all have a wonderful day and a better tomorrow. Get you one. Well, I guess the $64,000 question is, would I spend my money buying one of these? And if it's not too darn expensive, yes, I would. Just for the sake, just for the convenience of being able to have one with me when I'm on my ride lawnmower. When I'm riding around, I'm trying to cut and the brush is hitting me in the head. Shit, I'll just reach back and cut that limb off. Throw it aside, maybe even mow over it. But it fits in there just pretty as you please. And a charger, 2 chains, a wrench, 2 batteries, 2 extra chains, not just 2 chains, 2 extra chains. And decent instructions as well. All you got to do is keep an eye on your chain, make sure that it's not too loose, not too tight, and that you keep it lubed. Y'all have a wonderful day and a better tomorrow. Bye, everybody.